Learn English with I could sentences. I could swim when I was younger. I could speak French fluently at one point. I could play the piano when I was in high school. I could help you with your math homework if you had like. I could go for a run in the morning if the weather is nice. I could lend you some money if you need it. I could cook dinner tonight if you're tired. I could study more if I had more time. I could travel the world if I had enough money. I could call my mom later and check on her. I could read this book in one sitting if I wanted to. I could see the stars better if there were no city lights. I could be a doctor if I pursued a medical degree. I could try that new restaurant downtown tonight. I could volunteer at the animal shelter on weekends. I could join a gym and get in better shape. I could learn a new language if I put my mind to it. I could quit my job and start my own business. I could take a nap right now if I wanted to. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more interesting content.